Welcome to my channel. Let's say more English.
Hi, I'm interested in joining the gym.
Sure, I can tell you about our memberships.
Great. What options do you have?
We have a basic membership and a full membership.
What's the difference?
The basic membership is $30 a month. You can use the workout area and the locker rooms.
Okay. How much is the full membership?
It's $45 a month. It also includes all of our group classes.
So the classes are not included in the basic membership.
That's right. With the basic membership, you have to pay extra for each class.
Oh, I thought the classes were included with both memberships.
No, only the full membership includes them.
Got it. What kind of classes do you have?
We have yoga, cycling, and a few other fitness classes.
That sounds good. Is there a sign-up fee?
Yes, there's a $20 sign-up fee for both memberships.
Okay. Do I have to sign a 1-year contract?
No, there's no long-term contract. Both memberships are month to month.
So I can cancel anytime?
Yes, just cancel before your next monthly payment.
Okay, that works for me. What time does the gym open?
We open at 5 a.m. on weekdays and 7 a.m. on weekends.
And what time do you close?
We close at 11 p.m. every day.
Great. I usually work out after work.
Then that should work well for you.
Can I use all the equipment?
Yes, you can use all the equipment with either membership.
Good. Do you have showers here?
Yes, the locker rooms have showers.
Do you provide towels?
We provide small workout towels, but you need to bring your own towel for the shower.
Okay. Do I need to bring my own lock?
You can bring your own, or you can buy one here.
Good to know. Do you offer a free trial?
Yes, we have a free one-day pass for first-time visitors.
Does the pass include the group classes?
No, it only includes the gym and locker rooms.
Oh, okay. In that case, I think I'll just sign up for the full membership. I want to try the classes.
The full membership should be a good choice for you.
How do I pay each month?
We charge your credit or debit card automatically each month.
Okay. What do you need from me to sign up?
I just need a photo ID, your contact information, and a credit or debit card.
I have everything with me. Can I start using the gym today?
Yes, once you sign up, you can start right away.
Perfect. I'll go with the full membership.
Great! Just fill out this form and then I'll give you a key tag to get into the gym.